So we just got a huge update for the Air Jordan 3 Black Cements that we're supposed to get this year. And it's just getting a lot more interesting. We're still getting some heat, but it's with a huge twist, man. Let's get into today's video. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into another one. You guys know I've been kind of giving you guys updates, during, the YouTube shorts, letting you guys know what's going on. Are we getting new buck on the sneakers? It's gonna be leather. What's going on with the Air Jordan 3 Black Cement Reimagined? And now that we have them in hand, this is the 2018 pair. I think this dropped in 2018, one of the two. It's dropped a long time ago, but now we have an official update about these things. And I want you guys to comment down below your honest thoughts and opinions regarding the new update from Jordan Brand and Nike. If you guys are new here to the channel right now, I need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please give a huge like on today's video, man. Them likes go a long way, and it shows YouTube you guys enjoying the content. So please, man, hit that thumbs up, comment something. If you ain't got nothing to say, bro, comment some fire emojis, something down below. Let's get it in that algorithm. It really helps the channel. And you gotta know when I grind 100K to help your boy out, man. All right, guys, so it is officially official, bro. So I gave you guys an update, letting you know that we are not getting the new buck on the Air Jordan 3 Black Cement Reimagined, but now we're not even getting the Reimagined. So you guys see in the title, probably like, yo, what is he talking about? We are not getting the Air Jordan 3 Black Cement Reimagined this year. It's not happened. It's scratched. It's debunked. It was never even official that we were getting a reimagined Black Cement, but now it is official. We are getting a remastered Air Jordan 3 Black Cements, and these will be truest to form of the 1988 pair that dropped back in the day. So that's good for one or two things. I know a lot of people have been tired of the whole reimagined line or reimagined spinoffs ever since I feel like, the Air Jordan 1 Royal Reimagined. A lot of people did not like those. They hit outlets. It was going on sale for like $100. And now people are like, yo, all right, slow down with the reimagined, because we wasn't only going to get the reimagined, Black Cement 3s. We already got the reimagined Black Cement 4s, or the Bread 4s, whatever you do call them. And we will still be getting the Air Jordan 1 Black Toe Reimagined, man. So that's just give you guys that, crazy update, bro. No more reimagined Black Cements. These will be the remaster series that they did a couple of years ago. I forget what shoe they actually did that first, remaster series on, but this is not the first time we have gotten, remastered looks at sneakers. And I kind of feel like they transitioned to the reimagined look, but now they're trying to make it look back more like the 1988 pair that he wore back in the day. And so hopefully the shape is a little bit better, hopefully not as bulky. And I feel like, I got to take my hats off to Jordan Brand for changing the shape on the Air Jordan 4s that we've been getting this year. Like the Bread Reimagined, bro, you got to take your hats off, man. The shape is crazy. The shape was dope, and it's a lot more comfortable. And speaking of the Black Cement or the Bread Air Jordan 4 Reimagined, I don't know why I keep saying Black Cement, but these joints, I will be doing a giveaway. I have all the rules on my Instagram story and on my Instagram page. All you gotta do is some simple rules to win a free pair in your size. The giveaway will end March the 15th, within a couple of days. So go check out my IG, take full advantage, and your boy love giving back to you guys. And I appreciate, all the support you guys have been showing. So why not mixing a couple of giveaways or two a couple times throughout the year? But I guess the only, upside or the plus about this whole situation is that we are still getting the Air Jordan 3 Black Cements this year. It just will not be in the reimagined line. And of course, we will be getting the Nike Air, bro. Okay, I know a lot of people would go crazy if we didn't get a Nike Air on the back. People probably would have passed on them. But I kind of feel like, this is better for the people that didn't like reimagined. They didn't want to have the age looked on the midsole. They didn't want to have or even think about getting new buck for a Black Cement. It's good for y'all. It's definitely good for y'all, and especially them OGs that always wanted a pair of, a remastered Air Jordan 3 Black Cement, man. Definitely still gonna go down as one of them ones. The people that will not like this information is still because they pushed back the Black Cat 3s. Everybody was going crazy for the Black Cat 3s. We got information that we getting these joints later this year, and people was like, you know what? I would have rather had the Black Cat 3s, man. But now that we got more of an OG form too, the Black Cements, man, please let me know down below in the comment section if your, whole mood kind of changed, your energy changed, and you're still happy that we are getting these things, given the fact that we are not getting the Black Cats. So yeah, man, drop all y'all comments, thoughts, and opinions over this new crazy news over these joints right here, man. Still, I will be grabbing a pair. I've been beating these things up since I had them, bro. Since the release date, I feel like I've been wearing these a lot. So definitely need to get a new pair. And I ain't gonna worry about doubling up or tripling up and like that, because I ain't wear them that many times to where, you know, this pair is still in good condition given the fact that these are over like 6-7 years old. And while I got y'all here, man, I gotta ask everybody if you will be going after the Air Jordan 3 green glows. I feel like this is gonna be another one of those sleeper Air Jordan colorways. You know what I'm saying? We are getting the black cements, and they do sort of look similar. If you look real quick, you're gonna be like, hold on, which one is which? But if you guys will be snagging them, let me know down below in the comment section. I will be dropping a full review and on feed over these green glow Air Jordan 3s. I like them. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't hating on them. It's not that great of a colorway, but it's not a bad colorway either, if that makes sense. But me, I'm definitely taking the Air Jordan 4 green glows over these guys right here. And I've been telling y'all, man, if y'all want to see these reviews and on feeds, man, y'all gotta hit that like button. You guys see we do have the metallic burgundy Air Jordan 1 high 85s, man. Super dope. I love them. You know, the only thing I didn't like about them is because they resemble the metallic red Air Jordan 1s that I do have. But like I said, if you want to see a review and on feet, man, drop some comments, hit that like button, man. Let's get that interaction up. And of course, I already told y'all, bro, we doing that review and on feet over the green glow 3s, man. It looks so good, bro. It looks so good. I ain't gonna lie, but they do look similar to the black cements. And I do see why people might be passing. And of course, man, last but not least, another early look for you guys, the Air Jordan 1 low 85 metallic midnight navy things, bro. I like these joints more than the highs. So hopefully, you know what I'm saying, Jordan Brand drops some more low 85s this year in 2024, man. But like I said, hit that like button. Let me know what you think about these early looks we got, man. We got another one on the way. Stay tuned by hitting the notification bell. Stay in the loop, man. So yeah, man, I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys so much for tapping in. Breaking news, you know what I'm saying, more confirmed and confirmed information. I love it, bro. Love interacting with you guys, because guess what? I'm in it with y'all, man. When I figure out stuff, y'all figure out stuff, and then we come together and chop it up about it. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we drop. And please leave a huge thumbs up on today's video, man. Them likes really go a long way. So please hit that thing for your boy. Pause if needed, and drop some comments down below about today's topic. Love y'all. Again, thanks for tuning in. All that's been said, man, your boy DeVintage. We'll catch you guys in the next video, man.